With nearly 140 years of experience, 82 plants across 50 countries, Prysmian Group is the world leader in the energy and telecom cable systems industry. To ensure our continued leadership, Prysmian Group launched the Fast Forward Operation Industrial Strategy in order to deliver better value, quality, and excellence for our customers. A key component of this strategy is the Fast Track project, and a key partner in our worldwide program to accelerate the digital transformation is Dassault Systèmes with DELMIA Apriso, their manufacturing execution system platform.
Fast Track is a tool for operators. It must be easy going for the operators. It's also a tool that will facilitate the traceability of material, measurement, quality in general, block the products when a non-conformity, preventing them for future use in next steps. And as it is also connected to machines, it will also be a source of data collection that will facilitate the analysis and the setup of projects and future improvement for the company.
It's all about creating smarter factories, leveraging on the interaction between digital and human expertise. The partnership with Dassault Systèmes allows Prysmian to leverage on a best-in-class system backbone for the deployment of advanced Internet of Things, big data analytics based on cloud technologies.
Et à l'heure d'aujourd'hui, on connaît un produit qui est sensationnel, révolutionnaire, c'est Fast Track. C'est un outil où on peut dire zéro danger, zéro erreur, car Fast Track en fait gère plus ou moins tout ce qui est flux Touré, évite toutes les anomalies et les erreurs que l'opérateur peut faire. Pour l'instant, je trouve cet outil très intéressant pour l'entreprise et pour son avenir également.
Avec cet outil, nous pouvons suivre en direct, tout instantanément, notre production, les suites de commandes, la qualité. Tout est enregistré dedans. Il n'y a aucun risque d'erreur, c'est parfait.
The fourth industrial revolution is a vision shared by Prysmian and Dassault Systèmes. This strategy can allow Prysmian to better master our supply chain, better build to rate and ensure regulatory and quality conformance is achieved. This digital future factory can bring efficiency and effectiveness all along the supply chain, and, in the end, can result in the achievement of manufacturing excellence at the heart of every cable that is produced. Don't just make something extraordinary.